Hey guys, my name is Logan and today I will be doing a video. This is my very first video and today I'm going to be playing Vehicle Simulator on Roblox. Today I have a friend here. His name is Red Dragon 505. It's right here. And let's get on with Vehicle Simulator. Let's do that. Vehicles. That. Okay, let's tell my friend to go to the airport. Oh, he's right here. This SWAT guy. Wait. Get in. Get in. Get in, boy. Okay, so together. Yep. You can say hi, YT. See, even this guy right here. This guy right here. Hi, YT. Okay. Let's go race. Let's see if we can get some races. This guy can actually race us. Hey, what's your problem, bro? Oh, this guy wants to challenge us to a beautiful race. Oh, this guy's racing. This guy's racing. I don't know who we're racing though. I have no idea. I have never been in a... I'm gonna write, well, now you are. Now you are. Yay! Does not work. These people are just saying silly stuff. What does not work? I have never been in a YT before. I don't know what these guys want to do. Great. Don't hit backspace while sitting in a car. Backspace. It freezes you out. So today we want to get our car. These people are already inside my car because I have a video. King Wendy Yoler. Oh, this guy wants to get in the truck. Okay. This is the YT truck. This is the YT truck. So, right now I was a little quiet because these people keep saying something and I forget I have a YouTube. So, let's keep playing. Dang, these people have a lot of money. I'm saving up for 50K because I need to, Logan 8 tour. Yeah, but no spaces. Okay, so I'm gonna get this crate right here because it is a rare crate that I just got. He stole my car, so yeah. Stop stealing my car, bro. Do you want, like, come on. Stop it! Thank you. Okay, there we go. Okay, he got out. Let's wait for him because he might want to come back. Just saying. Oh, he said sorry. He said sorry. Let's wait. Sorry. Sheesh. Is your last vid Clash Royale? This is my, I can't say first or number one. Look, first vid. It won't say first, so why? I don't know. It doesn't do numbers. Alexa, now the controller is like that. So right now we're gonna do the highway race with my other buds. And I'm gonna use my Lamborghini. And we're gonna do this race. Yeah. Okay, it's counting down the time right now. I hope I'm in the race though, because only one person is gonna be left out. No, wait. Oh, yes. Oh, we're all in the race. Yay! Okay, right now I'm in second place. Dang, that car's fast. So, we're in third place right now. And we're way far back from the other person. I think after this race we might have to end the video, so yeah, let's just hurry up on this race. There was a crate up on that building. Oh, come on, dude! Jeez, no, the timer is almost off. Come on, we have to go. Come on. Come on. Hard to respawn, because then that would do one lap for us. We basically just cheated, technically. I think. I don't know. Oh, we're on lap 1. Okay, we're on lap 2. Here we go. Let's press R. Well, let's hold R. We're still on 2. I think we might have cheated to win. I don't know. But, I don't know. Well, oh no, the video is almost over. Okay, guys. Unfortunately, I might have to end the video before we finish this race. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. I'm just gonna try to hurry up. Hurry! Yay. Go, 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 go. The timer's almost up. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, because this is our first vid, and we have these cool buds who raced with us too, so that's awesome. But yeah, we got 3rd place. We didn't get any money, but thank you for watching. Bye, guys!